everyone, the real shark bait here. Oh, it just got really dark. Hello, okay. Hello everyone, the real shark bait here. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this amazing glossy-ish, well, it has glossy-ishness. Okay, this is super annoying. So, it is sort of glossy, and there's Nixie 11. It is kind of glossy, not fully glossy, but it's super stretchy and clicky. So, I do have to say sorry to some stuff because
I think he's gonna make more.
So, like, the ground is super ugly, and then I'm going to be using, like, a placemat
Mom
to
won't let
knead
us
it.
do it outside,
So I'm going to use a placemat that looks really weird to, like, knead the slime on. So, yeah, let's just get straight into the ingredients. Okay, so you obviously need a mixing tool or spoon. You need some hand lotion or body lotion. You need some borax, and I will show you what you need this for in a second. Coloring, but this is totally optional, and I personally have yellow. Hand soap. It can be really any type of non-foaming hand soap, so yeah. I have these tablespoon thingies. So yeah. You need a measuring cup, and I will show you why you need this and this, and just like right after the ingredients. It's some warm water. You need exactly 1 cup of it, or not necessarily exactly, but you need at least 1 cup of warm water. Obviously, you need glue, like main ingredient. Also forgot an ingredient. You do need water. It doesn't have to be cold or warm. You just need water. So yeah. And it can't be the warm water, but anyways, the reason that you needed this, the warm water and the borax and the mixing spoon, was because you need to make an activator. Now, an activator is something that activates your slime and makes it a slime. So, get 1 cup of warm water. This is 1 cup, by the way. Then you're going to need 1 tablespoon of borax. It just needs to be borax. Now, if you do have sensitive skin, I have very sensitive skin. I suggest either using gloves while playing with your slime or thoroughly washing your hands after you play with your slime. So once you have this in the, sorry about that, guys. Once you have the borax into the mixing thing, you just need to stir until it has dissolved. And I will show you what it looks like when it has dissolved. Okay, so when your stuff looks like this, your borax solution, you can set this aside and then get your bowl. Okay, so when you have your bowl, try to make it basically spotless, so there's nothing in it. There's like stuff in mine. I am so sorry, guys. I will be right back. Also, if you hear any noise in the background, sorry, but I basically got it cleaned out. So now I am going to add any amount of glue that I want to. I usually add about this much. I usually add about this much right here. This is this is like a medium-ish size bowl. So, yeah, and this is how much glue I will add. You do not, that's me though, so this is not the required amount or anything. It's just how much I like to add. So, now that you have this in here, you're going to get your hand soap, and you're going to pump a little bit in, like about this much. Then you are going to get your body or whatever soap, and you are going to squirt some of this in. Then you will, you can stir this together like this. I don't know why, but I love this part so freaking much. If you guys don't, just skip it. You can I don't know. So when you've stirred it about that much, you can add in your water. Now, the water is just about, you don't have to add in that much water, just like a little bit, just like maybe like 2 teaspoons, or maybe 3, I don't know. Just add in some water. The more water, the more glossy it is. But make sure you don't add in too much water, because if you add in too much water, your slime is ruined. And that's a waste of glue, precious glue. So if you guys are like, oh my gosh, my slime is not even together at all, that is good. You do not want your slime to be together right now. So I will be right back, actually. So this water bottle you have probably seen multiple times throughout the video. It's because I like to add my borax solution to my water bottle, because it's usually like super easy to pour in. So yeah. If you're adding in food coloring, now is the time you will do. You should probably just do about 3 drops. Do more if you want to start dyeing your hands. Seriously, don't do more. Your hands will get dyed, and I learned that the hard way. So this is probably gonna look awesome while stirring it in. Oh yeah, that looks so cool. So yeah, this is the more amazing type of slime. It is still not together yet. Then again, the borax and water stuff is your activator. So it should be all gluey and stuff. Now don't worry, your spoon and bowl will not be ruined. Now, don't add all the activator in at a time. You only want to add small portions in at a time, and you are never going to add the entire thing of activator that you made. That is just, no, like, I added in a lot there. So you do not want to add in a lot at a time. So, if you do add in a lot, your slime will be super over-activated. So when it's about this consistency, you're going to want to get in with your hands and start kneading it. Now, if it's super sticky, then you can add in more activator. This is super sticky, guys. So I am going to add in more activator. It is super slippery as well. I'm adding in more activator right now. So you can just really stir in your activator with your hands. I don't know why I'm stirring it in with my hands, since I have very sensitive hands. This is a stupid idea, but it's okay. That's what we do on the Real Shark Baits channel, I guess. That's my motto. Be stupid. Just kidding, guys. Never be stupid. I do not think that is a good word to say to describe yourself. And so while mixing it, it's going to be really chunky. I just like to expect this when mixing it, because if your slime is not that good, ends up not being good, you will not be disappointed. So if your slime is like super not stretchy at all, you can add in more lotion, which mine is not stretchy at all. So I'm going to add in more lotion. And also, you should probably like just get everything off of the bowl and your spoon with your slime. I think that is probably the easiest way to do it. Anyways, to get some lotion. So right now is definitely not the final state that your slime will be in. This is just the beginning state. So I am mixing in the lotion with my hands because you should not be sensitive to lotion unless you are. I'm sorry. Like it just happens sometimes. I am super sensitive to a lot of stuff. My skin rashes up in some places when I use certain things / touch certain things, and it sucks. So if any of you guys out there have it, so my slime right here is not that stretchy, and the exact reason to that is because I added in too much activator accidentally. So yeah, whoops. But if you are not stupid like me, oh my gosh, I keep saying stupid, sorry guys. If you're not unintelligent like me, then you don't do what I did, and just add in little portions at a time. So mine isn't that bad, but I don't know why I said that I would get like a mat thing or a tray thing to like use my slime on, because I obviously did not. And well, it's kind of gonna be for the end, like what it sounds like. So yeah, I'm just gonna be back when I have my slime pretty much ready. So yeah. Guys, I have added a little bit more lotion to this, and do not ever add too much lotion to your slime because it will get melted and your slime will be super sticky and crappy, and you will probably never play with it again. So yeah, and now I'm just gonna really like show you what this slime, like how clicky and stretchy it is. So yeah, let's go. Before I begin, sorry that I moved the camera, but now I am actually going to begin. Just getting adjusted, guys. Sorry. Okay, and I will begin. Sorry, that last one wasn't really that good. Anyway, so much for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed and learned something new on how to make this amazing slime. Sorry about the barking and loud noises, but yeah, hopefully you did learn something new, and I hope I helped you out with making this slime. So it was super fun to make. I love making this slime. I think it is a awesome slime. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.